Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a short video. I'm with a student. It's his first lesson. So we're driving around the neighborhood. Before I get into the video, though, I'm gonna go into my little speech about the fact that I need you guys to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post, right? And I'm asking for feedback. I want you guys to leave me comments to tell me if you want this type of content. If like doing a few driving lessons and posting driving lessons is something you guys are interested in. All right? So again, like, subscribe, hit that bell, and comment. All right? So I'm gonna do a short video just showing how well the student is doing. Actually, he's actually doing quite well for his first lesson. All right. So we're gonna just do a video covering some of the things he's doing. All right. So we're gonna go to the stop sign. We're gonna go straight across. Sure you come to a complete stop. And again, it's a four-way stop sign, so that's whoever gets here first. So you're the only one here. So yeah. Garbage day. Everybody's garbage can is out. I wonder what time the garbage truck comes. The garbage is still in those garbage cans. Alright, so slow down. Let these people go by the mail truck and then continue. And we're gonna go straight across. We're gonna stop again, and here it's not a four-way stop sign, right? So we have to stop, but the people going either way here will have the right of way. So go ahead and go across. Alright, slow down and stay in your right lane. Alright. Straighten up, nice and easy. Yeah, you're getting the hang of it, for real, yeah. You're picking it up much faster than most people would in their first lesson. Even though you were like mad nervous at first, you've gotten comfortable enough so that you're doing a good job. Like I said, like, you know, I'm used to people. I mean, people are always nervous on their first lesson, but you know, especially a young person like yourself, they're generally easier to pick it up. They pick it up faster than the people that are older. So I'm not necessarily surprised that you're doing well on your first lesson. I've seen it quite a bit actually for the people that is younger. You know, so you guys, you're nervous, but you're still able to function in spite of it, which is really how it's supposed to be, right? You're not supposed to be so nervous that you can't function. That, you know, that's, yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, for real. Alright, so we're going to make the right turn. Lady, don't push this thing out in the road now. What is she doing with people's cart? You own those cars. Those cars belong to the grocery store. Alright, make a right turn. Time and straighten up in the right lane. Yes. Mango. You like mangoes, man?
They're good. Mango tree.
I love. You guys have a mango tree. Yeah, these areas have a lot of mango tree. I have a mango tree in my backyard. But these areas have a lot of island people, you know.
Yeah.
So you'll find a lot of fruit trees in these areas, more so than some areas. Stop completely. So you see they're here before us, right? So now it's our turn because this guy hasn't stopped yet. So yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
I didn't see the.
You didn't understand the concept before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, whoever gets there first goes first. So you just have to pay attention to your, when you get up to the line and go accordingly. Again, that doesn't always work, right? Sometimes some people are just so impatient. Yeah, sometimes people are so impatient that they're rushing to go, even though it's your turn. You know what I mean? So, if they're like rushing to go, you don't fight with them. You just let them go. Because, you're gonna wait an extra couple of seconds, and then you can go. You know what I'm saying? So, if it's your turn and they want to be fighting for it, just let them go. Stop sign, your turn. I used to actually own that house right there. That one? No, this one right here. Years ago, me and my brother used to own that house. Alright, so we're gonna make the right turn right here this time. And just slow down. And remember, just make the right turn tighter. And let it go. Yeah. Alright, go around this garbage truck. Yeah. No, it's not. Go ahead. Well, I mean, he's supposed to look before he just pull out, right?
Because it's a garbage truck.
It's a garbage truck. He stopped and he's just going to pull out without looking to see if there's a car going by. But what you're supposed to do really is just honk the horn to make him aware that you're passing him. You understand?
Yeah.
But he's supposed to look before he pulls out. Alright, so we're making a left turn up here. Signal. So you're supposed to signal about 100 feet before you get up to the stop sign. Stop completely. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your left turn. Now, in the driving test, right? If you do that roll and stop like you were just about to do, then you fail the driving test. So you can't do that. You have to actually stop. Straight across. Alright, go ahead. Alright, stop completely. So we're gonna look down here. Go up enough where you can actually see down the road. You're gonna stop and look down there, and then you're gonna look down here, and then you're gonna go straight across. So you look right, and then you look again before you go, just to make sure that it's clear. Alright, go around these garbage cans, man. You good?
I don't know.
The judgment, you don't have good judgment yet, but it gets better. It gets better.
I need to get the ring.
Yeah. These little kids out in the front by themselves, no adults, nowhere. I remember when they built this place. We used to live in this neighborhood back then. My mom actually owned the house over here. I remember when they built it. I've never actually gone in it. Go up some more. Again, you look down there, go up some more, enough where you can actually see down the road. And then you stop here and wait. Alright, go ahead. Look down to the right. And you go up enough, go up a little bit more. And then you stop like about right here. And you wait for it to be clear on both sides. Okay, after this red car here, burgundy car, whatever, go straight across. These neighborhoods just don't look good with the garbage cans out. I mean, they're a regular average neighborhood. It's an average neighborhood, right? But the garbage cans just make it look so bad. That's like when I go home, right? I immediately, as soon as I go home, I put in my garbage can. I have neighbors that would leave their garbage cans out for like 3 days. They'd go in and out the house and leave the garbage cans there, and just like, why? Okay, so we're making a right turn here. So you look down here to the left, right? You always look to the left. And when you're making a right turn, you look to the left to make sure there's nothing over there. And then go ahead and make your right turn. And stay in your right lane. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright. Okay, I think I'm going to end this video right here because, again, the driving lesson is pretty long. I'm not going to make a whole long, full video. Alright, so once again, I'm going to say thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave me a comment. I want to know, are you interested in the driving lesson content? Because even though I've owned this driving school for many years, I've been doing the channel for about 2 years, I was not really doing a lot of actual driving lesson content. But I find that people are interested. The feedback I've been getting so far is that people are actually interested in, driving lessons, the content, driving lesson content. So I'm actually gonna continue to make videos. I'll try to post, at least 1 or 2 videos of every student that I get. So again, thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.